Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at an exciting new AI model called Mistral-128K. This new model builds on the 7 billion parameter Mistral model we covered a while back. But it now has a massive 128,000 token context window. That's over 4 times bigger than GPT-4. Not only that, but thanks to a new technique called yarn, it achieves this extended context with way lower training costs. This model requires 10x fewer tokens and 2.5x fewer steps to train compared to previous approaches. So in this video, we'll check out some examples of the crazy long-form generation this thing can do, as well as go through how you can try it out yourself for free. So how can you try out this powerful new model? Well, there's a few easy options. First, you can test it out right in your browser with Google Colab. There are Colab notebooks set up where you can load the model and start generating. It also works with tools like LM Studio. Just paste in the model card and you can install it locally. I'll put some links below to tutorials on setting this up. And my favorite is using the text generation web app, which has a one-click installer for Mistral. Just paste the model card, hit download, and you're good to go. I'll be showing more examples and demos using this model in future videos. But for now, be sure to try it out yourself and let me know what you think. The capabilities of this thing really are mind-blowing considering it can run on a normal PC. Let's try some capabilities of this model. Let's attempt to generate some Python code that will print odd numbers from 1 to 100. Then we'll see how well this model performs at coding. I want to emphasize that this model is as powerful as the Llama 13B model. It's generating code and it looks correct. So let's copy this code and put it into an online Python interpreter. I opened the website and pasted the code, then ran it. Wow, it's working. That was very simple, but now I will try something more complex. Let's generate a CLI-based calculator app, and it's generating. Let's copy and paste the code and run it. Amazing result, it's working perfectly. This was a quick tutorial video and I apologize for not being able to post regularly as I wasn't at home. However, I promise that from now on, I will be more consistent with my uploads. I have some very exciting news for my audience, and if you want to hear it, please subscribe to my channel. I will announce it in the next video. So that wraps up this first look at the new Mistral 128K model. I'll link to the original paper and model cards below if you want to learn more. This is an exciting development in efficient context extension that opens up a lot of new possibilities for long-form generation. Can't wait to see what future improvements this leads to. Let me know if you have any other topics you want to see covered around large language models, and be sure to subscribe and click the bell for more AI videos. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.